Played forward, clever turn, looking to release the pass down the left-hand side. Komilson with the cross into the box. A chance for the goal. What a goal that is! A magnificent finish. He had no right, with the ball going behind him, to hook that back with that kind of pace and the accuracy. Sensational goal. And how about that to open the scoring in a tight and cagey game, as KARBI ANGLONG FC have the first goal in quite sensational fashion. What a run this is from Komilson. Look at this. Ball into the box is perfect. And how about that for a finish? Pessier with his second goal in Group D. And he won't score any better. Look at the run.